The year is 2020. Through the last decades, we've seen an immense improvement in our technology, but even so, we are passing through difficult times. The world like we know is changing. More and more natural hazards appears, a consequence of our own actions by ignoring the sustainability of the planet. While we fight to make a future in our world, a future for next generations so they can live sustainably, we need to take action and start preserving what we have. One way to do this is to use the technology to help us in this challenging quest. In the last year, a lot of natural hazards had come to our attention. One of them is causing many problems that we still don't know if they are reversible. Fire hazards have done its victims in the United States, Australia, and criminal fire hazards are happening in Brazil right now. How can we fight these hazards, you may think? Right now, with our satellites and knowledge, we may be capable of not only detecting but to predict possible risk areas. With the objective clear in our minds, my colleagues and I started to develop a software capable of doing so through machine learning in Python, using satellites databases and data analysis. We made what could be the start of a fight against those hazards. With the data we have worked, the program is capable of predicting possible risk areas, and by doing so, is capable of indicating where we could have criminal fire hazards. Of course, this will be the first iteration of what could be a game changer in the fight against fire hazards. Many iterations can occur to improve the capabilities of the software, and by doing it, we can save lives and try to preserve our planet. The software by itself can help to distinguish these hazards directly, but by making an easy-to-interpret interface, this could help researchers in the work and leaders to take action against those hazards earlier, so they can save more lives and maybe even extinguish those fires before they spread dangerously. A fair amount of work is needed to finish and implement a system like this, but thinking about our planet and what we need to take care of, this may be a vital part of this long fight.